So we are now talking about for 2018 midterm 1 question 6. Part of the question is studying this function x to t looks like this. The question is it periodic or not? The other is it's even, odd, or neither. Those are multiple choice questions, so we are expecting students to build up intuition, quickly solve this type of questions. So no need to write down detailed proofs. So how do we get the first question? The answer is not periodic. Why it is not periodic? Because of the exponential component. So when t is getting very large, you can see this part is getting pretty big. And this part is always between 0 and 1, therefore it's not periodic. Yes?
Is it ever possible to multiply together two non-periodic signals and get a periodic signal?
It's possible to do that. I will give an example later on, but let's focus on this question. So it's not periodic because this part keeps going up and down. Let's now look at whether it's even, odd, or neither. The answer is it's an even signal. Why this is an even signal? The reason is because here sign is an odd signal, but once you square it, you get an even signal. So odd multiply odd gives you even. Therefore, sign is an even. Odd signal square gives you even. So this part is even. And then you look at the first part. The first part only involves absolute value of t. So if I choose 1 or -1, absolute value always gives me the same answer. So therefore, this part is always going to be even. Product of two even signals give you an even signal. So the answer is even. Is everybody following the analysis? Right here, we are expecting you to be able to quickly figure out whether it's even or odd. Let's now answer Jonathan's question. The question is, can product of two non-periodic signals give you a periodic signal? Is the question clear to everybody? I have two non-periodic signals. Can I have a periodic signal as the final product? The answer is yes. Okay. So, for example, I have a signal that's this, and then that's keep growing. So what do I mean by this signal? This signal looks like a periodic signal, but it's not. It has a period. It looks like this, but this part keeps getting higher and higher. Is this signal clear to everybody? If I get another period, this part will even get higher. So it's not a periodic signal. Okay. If I multiply another one, that is a shifted, that's 0 here, and then this part is growing, and then this part is 1. So that is the signal. The signal is going to be 1, 0, and this is growing. So this is 1, and then you get another 1, 0, growing. Is this part clear to everybody? So that's another signal that is not periodic. But if you take the product, you can see the way I design the signal is the growing part is going to be multiplied by 0, so you can attenuate or suppress the growing part completely. And I also have a growing part here, but it's also suppressed by the other signal. So overall, after multiplication, only the periodic part remains. That is why it becomes a periodic signal. So that is why you can have two non-periodic signals to give you a periodic signal. If I answer your question, everybody is okay with the answer? Let's move on to the next question.